Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to perform project progress with dashboards on Asana, the complete 2025 guide for managing your projects more efficiently. First things first, you'll want to log into your Asana account and navigate to the project you want to track. The reason we do this is because each project in Asana has its own unique dashboard designed to provide you with a visual summary of your project's progress. Next up, you'll want to click on the Dashboard tab, located at the top of your project. This helps us because it's where all the tracking magic happens. Here you'll find various charts and graphs that help you visualize your project's progress. Now that we're on the dashboard, let's add some charts. You can do this by clicking on the Add Chart button. This is important because these charts not only help us visualize our project's progress, but they can also be customized to show specific data, like task completion, workload, and even milestones. Once you've added your charts, it's time to customize them. You can do this by clicking on the Edit button on the chart. Here's where it gets really interesting. You can choose what data you want to display, how you want to group it, and even the time frame you want to focus on. This matters because it allows you to tailor the dashboard to your project's specific needs. Finally, it's time to interpret the data. The charts on your dashboard will dynamically update as tasks are completed and milestones are reached. This allows you to gain real-time insights into your project's progress. Let me explain why this matters. By understanding these insights, you can make informed decisions, address bottlenecks, and keep your project on track. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to perform tracking project progress with dashboards on Asana. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep your finger on the pulse of your projects. Remember, a well-managed project is a successful project. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy tracking.